One-Click Metal is democratizing metal additive manufacturing, and this pairs exactly with Autodesk's vision of making anything with a robust, low-cost CAD system.
This is an awesome technology, but nobody really can use it. And this is basically where the idea of One-Click Metal was born. One-Click Metal focuses on developing affordable metal 3D printers.
The One-Click Metal machines are very easy to use. You don't need any technical background. By using a cartridge system in our machine, we have a very clean process.
You never have exposed powder, you don't have buckets of powder pouring around, which is the status quo in the industry.
They give you an end-to-end solution that gives you everything from the machine to an unpacking station to a good software integration.
The tight integration between One-Click Metal machines and our own Fusion 360 means that an engineer can envision a product, design it in Fusion 360, and prepare this part for printing in metal.
I log in, I share my project with my coworkers, and I can start working on the same project, on the same part in various iterations. We get a versioning of every part, of every assembly, down to the last click somebody made.
Right now, the situation we see in the market is that you have different applications that all serve a certain purpose. Fusion offers all this in one connected workflow in the same environment.
For us, we first got into contact with Autodesk products basically when we decided to use Fusion 360 as a development tool for our machines and for our products.
Not only did One-Click Metal decide to use Autodesk Fusion 360 to make their dream and design a reality, they decided that they wanted to integrate this machine and its processes into our software.
Fusion has a deep integration with Eagle, and as it turns out, we do all of our PCB layouts in Eagle, so we can easily integrate our layouting that we did and move the PCBs into Fusion to integrate them into our switching cabinets or into sub-assemblies where we use our different PCBs. We also try to educate people on how to use this really awesome technology so that more people can use additive manufacturing in their daily lives.